It's Martha here with you today. I just wanted to come on and show you my design team package from Country Craft Creations for December. So it is called Country Christmas, and it is by Simple Stories. It's super beautiful. It's right up my lane. It's exactly what I love to work with, the exact colors and everything for Christmas. I always love my Christmas collections to have that little bit of blue in them. So I'm gonna go through this with you. So this is the sticker sheet, or one of the sticker sheets. It's got some really cute things on here. That's got the 25, Winter Wonderland, Believe. I really like that. I might make that for the cover. The beautiful tree with the deer, peace. I love that one too. And all of these wonderful little sentiments down here. Really love that. All right, and then this is called the Border Cardstock stickers. So these are long ones. And there's definitely some that I'm going to be able to use here, but some of them I might have to chop apart, which is fine. Like this one, you know, you could definitely cut it like right there. And then you'd have like two separate ones. And it does have some other little icons on there as well. And then getting into the paper, so I believe these are like the solids. Let me just try and read here. Scarlet Dots. Yeah, so Simple Stories always has the like neutral ones you can get with the collections, and I think that's what these are. So there's these, and then this is the opposite side, and this one has some really cute little snowflakes on it, so really cute. I've looked at this a few times, so we might be kind of a little upside down and everything. This page is called Winter Wishes, and I am going to give you the name of the pages just because it might be easier if you guys just want to purchase those pages. So yeah, this one is called Winter Wishes, and it's got this beautiful barn with the wreath and the trees. And then the other side is this beautiful kind of light aqua tone with the pretty little splatters on it. I've got two of those. And then this one is called Joyous Noel. Really beautiful. We've got I think it's Father Christmas over here, and then a tree kind of peeking out, and then we've got him here again with the deer, and he's holding some presents there, and then this is the other side. Ugh. It is just so pretty. I don't know how I'm going to cut this paper. I just don't know how I'm going to cut this paper. Alright, and then there's this beautiful one here. It's got the little trees in the corner. This one is called Oh Christmas Tree. So it's got the beautiful trees here, and then it's got some like text, like distressed text over the rest of it, and some snowflakes. And then the other side is this really pretty plaid. So that's both sides of that one. And then this one is called Glad Tidings. So super pretty. It's got the holly down here. It's got the nice big poinsettia here, and some more holly and some more text. Super pretty. And then the other side is this really beautiful red with some Christmassy words. And then this one is really pretty because it's like a collage-y one. Absolutely love it. It's really pretty. And then there's this side. And I was kind of thinking, I've never wrapped an album in the pattern paper, but how pretty would it be if the whole album was wrapped in this paper instead of having like wrapping it in a cardstock and then matting it with the paper? What if it was the whole album? So I might try that. I'm thinking about that. So stay tuned for that. Who knows if that'll happen or not. Alright, and then there's this really beautiful one here. I don't think I said what this one was called. No, this one is called Wonderful Life. So it's the one that's like this and then like that. This one is called Good Cheer. It's got this beautiful cardinal here. And it says believe in the magic, and then that just gorgeous cluster there. And then the other side is this beautiful holly paper. I really, really like that. And then this one, I kind of want this as the cover of my album too, because how nice would that be if you fussy cut all around that and you put a photo in the middle? I think that would be like about, like what, like an 8x8 album? Or no, it'd have to be like a 10x10, or maybe even, well, 10x10 is the biggest I could do right now. So something to think about, this one. I don't know that I want to do a 10x10 album though. And then this is the other side of it, and this one's called Christmas Magic. Really pretty. And then there's this gorgeous poinsettia one here. This one's called Holiday Greetings. Really pretty. And then it's got this nice white and green polka dot on the back. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, and then I think we're getting into some of the cut-aparts here. So this is the 3x4 cut-apart sheet. Look how cozy this looks. I just love it. It says Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Peace on Earth, Holiday Cheer, Happy Holidays. We wish you a Merry Christmas, joy to the world. Really pretty. I just lose my breath with this paper. Look how beautiful these birds are. I just love it. And this one is called 3x4 Elements. So I do have 2 sheets of it, so I could use one as the cut-aparts and then one as the little bird paper. I kind of don't like how they put such pretty papers on the back of the cut-aparts. They should just be ugly papers or plain papers. And then here's all the numbers. And I had originally wanted to do a December daily with this paper, but I'm filming this and it is December 10th, so I don't know that that's gonna happen. But I could always make one and use it next year. Like, maybe I'll do that. I'll make one and we'll use it next year. And then we'll be ready to go, right? So it's got these little pretty green trees. Like, it's a green with a darker green tree, and it's kind of distressed. Super cute. And then we've got the 4x6 cut-aparts. So there's Season's Greetings, there's Santa, and he's holding a tree. Oh, and there's like a deer kind of collaged on top of him. That's kind of cool, like a reindeer. It says all things merry and bright. I really like that too for the cover. Peace and joy, and then the Santa and with his bag there. And then just an empty spot one. And then the other side of this is like a red polka dot. This one is just called 2x2 Elements. If I didn't say, I don't think I did. So that's that. And then I've got my chipboard here. And then I've got a few pieces of matching cardstock. And they're all kind of shimmery. So there's this one. And this one. Oh, they do have names. My color's Cardstock, and this one is Exotic Red, and it's shimmery. I don't know if it's, yeah, there you go, it's picking it up. And this one is Polar Bear, so festive. And then this one is not shimmery, and it is called Pine Forest, so really pretty. I love that one. Alright, so I'm gonna get to work. I'm going to put an album together. I'm going to make it I'm either going to decide it's a December daily for next year, or it's going to be a simple, quick album to put together for a gift. So I have an idea. Why don't you guys put your votes underneath, okay? And I'll watch the votes for 2 days, okay? So tell me if you want it to be a December daily or a quick, simple album for a gift idea for this year, okay? So post down below, say if you wanted it to be a December daily that we can use next year, so we're ready to go, or if you want it to be a quick, simple album to do as a gift for this year, okay? Or for yourself, either way, it would be just a quick, simple gift idea. Let's call it that, okay? So go ahead, post down below and tell me what you would like to see. There is also this seam binding here. I forgot about the seam binding. It's really pretty. There's like a really like olivey green color. It almost looks like gray or tan on there, but it's like a olivey green. There's a brown, and there's like this cool tan color. All right, so post down below, tell me what you want to see. I'll give it 2 days. I'll put together the votes, and then that's what we're gonna make. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a really wonderful Christmas. And I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I've had a lot lately, so thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and allowing me to share my love of crafting with you. So yeah, like the video, give me a comment, tell me what you want to see next, and subscribe if you haven't yet, okay? Have a very Merry Christmas if I don't see you back here, but I better. I love you guys. Okay,